Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you already subscribed, thanks for subscribing. So in today's video I have for you this exciting and fun hair color right here. Look at that. Let me take out this hair. Yep, right here. So if you want to see and know how I achieve this hairstyle using yarn, please keep watching, and at the end of the video, if you like the result, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Okay, so for this boss braid I'm using two colors of yarn. I'm using the navy blue and the gray blue. So for the gray blue, I'm going to be using that on the tip of the hair. Also, I'm going to do 1 or 2 braids for just to give the hair a little bit of highlight effect. So right here I'm just gathering some of the yarn together before going ahead to measure out the length I want. But in order to get the actual length you want for this boss braid, you want to make sure you measure it longer than the length you want, so that way when you're done doing the boss braid, you're going to end up with the actual length that you want for this hairstyle. Because once you're done braiding, it's going to shrink up. You can actually do the same thing using a door handle if you don't have a standing mirror. I've already started wrapping the rubber band around the hair. So this is the first and the second row. So right here I'm patting the third row. And here, this is the fourth row right here. And this is the last row, which is the 6th row. So right now I'm just spraying some water on the hair, and that way this will allow me to come through the hair easily and make sure there's no frizz and there's no tangle. So after that I'm going in with a gel just to lay down my edges. You can use either gel or edge control. So after that I'm going in with a rubber band. I'm just going to wrap that around the hair. So to do the boss braid right here, I split my hair into 2. So this will help me to grab the hair easily, and also to make sure the rubber band doesn't show on the bottom. So so on the first row right here, I have 3 braids, and then 4 braids on the second row, and 7 braids on the third row, and I have about 8 braids on the 4th row, and 7 braids on the 5th row, and 6 braids on the 6th row. So once you braid all the way to the tip of the braid, you want to grab the yarn and just wrap it around grab the one you're using to wrap the tip of the hair, and just wrap it around about 4 to 5 times, and after that go ahead and tie a knot on the bottom to secure it. So once you tie the knot, you want to go ahead and cut off the excess yarn from the tip. Once you're done cutting off the excess yarn from the tip of the hair, you can either go ahead and bond the tip of the hair if you prefer that, or you can just leave it this way. So I don't like bonding the tip of my hair, so yeah. So right here, this is the last boss braid. So you're just gonna repeat the same thing, braid all the way to the tip, and then wrap the yarn around the tip of the hair. Then after that, tie a knot to secure it. Don't forget, you have to tie a knot to secure the hair. So once you finish the last boss braid, you want to go ahead and grab your hot water and your towel, and they'll dip the hair into hot water. So on the left hand side, I've already dipped it into hot water. You can see you gain some a little bit of length, and also you have the hair to be more flexible. So right here, I'm just dipping the hair into hot water. So I didn't use two towels this time just because I'm used to this. So while you want to make sure you have two towels, one you're gonna put one around your neck and the other one to dry off the excess water. If you finish the hair late in the evening, don't dip the hair into hot water because it won't dry on time before you go to bed. Just go to bed, and in the morning when you wake up, then you can dip the hair into hot water and just let it air dry during the day.